In this tutorial, we will set the preset value, start and stop a batch, and change the preset value again on the N-series batch controllers. The preset is the value that represents the to-be-delivered or batched quantity. The N-series batch controllers has an easy numerical keypad to enter a preset value, to start and to stop a batch. All our batch controllers have digital or relay outputs to control a valve or pump during the batch process. Let's take a look at how this works. Press the prog button once to enter the preset value. Use the numerical keypad to enter the preset value. Press the prog button to save the new value and return to the main screen. A batch can be started by pressing the Start button. The batch, Relay 1, will pop up and the tank fill indicator starts filling. The control output activates the valve or pump, which begins the delivery. Once the batch is completed, the Ready flag will pop up. The control output deactivates the valve or pump, which ends the delivery. A new batch with the same quantity is easily done by pressing the Start button again. The batch flag will pop up. Press the Hold button to pause a batch. The Hold flag will start flashing. The control output deactivates the valve or pump. When you press the Start button again, the batch will resume. The batch flag will pop up again. The control output reactivates the valve or pump. A new batch with the same quantity is easily done by pressing the Start button again. When you press the Hold button and following the Reset button, the batch is cancelled. The Ready flag will pop up. The control output deactivates the valve or pump, which ends the delivery. You can view the total and accumulated total by pressing the Total button. You can view the flow rate by pressing the Rate button. You can view the batch count by pressing the Count button. Press the Prog Enter button again to return to the main screen. For a different batch size, a different preset value is required. Press the Prog button once to enter the new preset value. Use the numerical keypad to enter the preset value. Press the Prog button to save the new value and return to the main screen. Please note that a self-learning overrun correction can be enabled for often repeating batches. This correction influences the control output timing. Disable the correction or set the time to a short period when your batch size changes frequently. For two-stage batch controllers, a pre-close value can be set to switch off a second control output before the end of the batch. All Fluidwell N-series have the same intuitive operation and menu structure. When you know one, you know them all. Fluidwell understands. Your success counts.